We are True IT Services and System Integrator.
Hi everyone, it's Syed Irfan from Prove IT Services. It's a company, it's a system integrator, IT solution provider company. And right now I'm studying in the 18th floor of Silver Tower, which is situated just opposite to Almas Tower in the JLT. And in the background you can see the Al Mazaya Business Center. And so hope you are doing great. The main reason of making this video is to create an awareness in my LinkedIn professional contacts that we do take care of entire IT, software and hardware solution as well. So as a integrator company, we do take care of entire IT, hardware, networking solutions. Like we do provide remote service as well. So we do take care of projects like the construction as well, construction, hotels, hospitality. We are into community villa projects. So what we do is we do provide remote support as well. So coming to the projects which we do is like IP telephony, structure cabling, expertise into IP telephony and structure cabling, and wireless access point. So moreover, we go with Avaya and Cisco in IP telephony, and whichever is customer preferred, then we go with that too. And then coming to the access points, we recommend Aruba, Ruckus, moreover, and then based on the customer budget, we go with their preferred products. Apart from that, like we do take care of CCTV, which is the basic of security, the CCTV, and then the access control. Then we have the gate barrier system, parking management system. Then we do take care of a lighting solution, energy management system, and then the smart IoT, Internet of Things. And then software. In the software, we do take care of the supply, installation of all this antivirus, firewalls related stuff. And moreover, we just as a IT consultant also, we do take care of our customer. We tell them what is suitable for their environment according to the budget and the cost, so they are ready to invest on something looking for the future to come. Few of our enterprise level customers are Emaar, Sharjah Asset Management, Sharjah Airport Free Zone, Dubai University, University of Wellington, James University, and few more, many in fact. So we have SMB businesses as well in the SMB market. So the thing is, if you guys come across any IT requirement wherein you need IT hardware supply or services or anything related to this, the products and services which I have mentioned before. So if you guys come across any IT requirement, please do share your requirement on my email ID. I will mention it in the comment. It's s.irfan@prove-it.services, or you can just WhatsApp me on my number. It's 054-534-7842, or you can just call or WhatsApp me. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and please do share your requirements. Yeah. Thank you for your time. Thank you, LinkedIn members. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.